actor pa. Kasi syempre yung blocking, di ba, baka ma-judge mo. Baka ma-judge! Direk, how are you? Oh
I'm
my
good.
God.
I'm good. I'm good.
How does it feel to be interviewed again? Yes, oo. Kasi di ba
May
siguro,
ganon?
I'm sure dumi-deep dive ka na sa mga directing, of course, for your forever endeavors. You've always been so busy. Kamusta lahat? Kamusta, how's everything?
Okay, it's just it really is about time management. So sometimes I'm here, sometimes I'm there, sometimes I'm directing, sometimes I'm acting. So
Correct.
or doing family stuff. So it really is just minsan nahihilo din ako.
Oo. And,
Or minsan maaga pa lang naantok na ako.
no,
Lolo na.
hindi, pero wrinkle-free ka pa rin. Ha? I
Ta.
love it. Direk guys, wait, pag-usapan muna natin, i-breakdown natin. Season 1, guest ka pala rito.
Yes. Oo.
How
That was a
ironic.
long time ago. That was
Ayan.
like what? 2017.
Grabe.
So,
Padekada na.
oo. Oo nga.
Naalala mo
Next.
pa kung ano kinain nyo dito?
Pochero ang niluto ko.
Okay.
Yeah.
Specialty
Pochero.
mo talaga?
Actually, no. Specialty ni Tita. But
Oo.
I love her pochero. So sabi ko, pochero na lang lutuin natin, Tita.
What was your memory of the pochero when you first tasted it?
Because I first tasted it in one of our mga dinners. Kasi si Tita Helen, nakakasama ko yan sa mga dinner. We call ourselves the Barkads. Parang ganyan. So, ang grupo ng mga sila SK, Tita Dolor, mga managers, and then sila Tita Susan, sila Manay Ichu. So, mga the powers that be.
Yes.
So, parang mga ganun yung mga kasama namin din sa. And then Tita Helen would always bring puchero. And sabi ko talaga, ang sarap ng puchero ni Tita Helen. So, and sometimes she would send me puchero because I told her that I love her
wow.
puchero. So, yun, nung time na nga na gines niya ako, nung first season nga yun, kasama nga ako sa book eh. Kasama ako sa book ni Tita. So, yun ang niluto namin. Kasi
Oh,
sabi
wow.
ko, yun ang gusto ko.
Yeah, and now what's your vision? Season 5 na pala?
So, of course, it's still the same cooking from Tita Helen.
Aha.
Kasi si Tita Helen kasi kapag magluto, ano siya talaga eh, tansya-tansya eh. She doesn't really, yung sukat,
Oo.
kailangan ganito, kailangan ganito. No. So, tinatansya niya lang. And minsan, kunwari, yung sugar, hindi niya sinasama lahat. Or yung asin, pepper, hindi niya sinasama lahat. Ginaganon-ganon lang yun. Tapos mamaya-maya pagka siguro parang may magic hands siya.
Oo.
So pagkatapos niya parang, wow, ang sarap.
Ang sarap.
So, iba yung luto niya. Parang eksakto yung timpla. It's not maalat, it's not matamis, but eksakto yung lasa. That's why hindi ka magsasawa dun sa niluluto.
From, parang may parang may emotional
Oh
aspect
yes.
pa.
Alam mo, pagka mahal mo yung ginagawa mo, if you really love what you're doing, then I guess it shows or it tastes.
Yeah, it
You can
tastes.
taste it. Yeah.
I love it. And speaking of love what you're doing, you've been doing this since forever, diba? And also for your family, how's everything? How's the whiskey? How's
There's so many things happening with our family. Of course, the Banayad whiskey was launched last. Well, it came in the Philippines in Feb of 2025, and then we got our FDA approval. So maraming proseso pala. So, syempre nung meron na kaming FDA approval, so yun, we started selling, and then soon it will be out in the market. Yun na nga, like I said, we were not really, how should I say this? Since it's our first venture into like whiskey or liquor, so syempre, pag liquor maraming mga bawal, maraming proseso. Because hindi ka basta-basta pwede magtinda ng liquor, di ba? So, we went through that. But it's a very good learning process. And we are very proud of what we have, of our product, the 3-year-old blend and the 12-year-old premium. Kasi masarap siya talaga. And it's actually bottled in Scotland. It is a Scottish brand owned by Filipinos. Parang ganun. Or it is a Filipino... it's a Filipino, Irish, not Irish, Scottish brand. It's a Filipino-Scottish brand.
Yung partner nyo rito are foreigners?
May partner kami na foreigner, na taga Ireland. And then of course, may partner din kami dito, si Carlo Adleon. partner namin sa whiskey. Kasi siya din yung nag-introduce sa amin
Yes, yes.
ng mga mga tao sa Scotland. So that's why we're very happy with the outcome, and it's doing well. We're generating interest kasi masarap yung produkto.
Oo. So,
Masarap
ganun
yung
pala,
produkto.
nag-expo muna kayo.
Oh
These
yeah,
days,
yeah,
ganon.
yeah. Oo,
That's the way to go.
That's the way to go. So we really just have to like push it, advertise, market it in such a way na yung kaya lang namin kasi alam mo naman ang mahal we're not like a big brand yet like Johnny Walker or whatever,
Yeah.
mga ganyan. So we're a small company but we're getting there.
I love it. So,
yeah,
you're seeing it.
we're
You're
seeing it. Oo.
That's
Medyo
good.
maano yung proseso pero okay lang. Sinatsaga namin.
Parang nauna ka sa mga celebrity sa Pilipinas to launch their own
Liquor.
liquor. Parang The Rock ang atake, 'di ba? Lahat sila may liquor
Oo,
brand, 'di ba?
parang-
Ryan
parang-
Reynolds.
Parang sila George Clooney lang.
Ganyan, 'di ba? Oo.
So,
Sila
parang
tequila naman lahat.
Tequila, yeah. Oo. But kami kasi, like right now, yung medyo pricey siya because
Of course,
it
it's
is
whiskey,
the
it's
quality
good.
kasi is
What's the price range?
the 3-year-old is nasa 2.5
Mm-hmm.
and then the 12-year-old is 3,300.
Mm.
May VAT na yan.
Wow.
So kasama na VAT.
Nice.
So
Ang
medyo
galing.
medyo pricey siya but we're coming up with soon we'll come up with a mas cheaper brand.
Okay.
But maybe not whiskey.
Oo. Yeah. And may mga upcoming iba pa kayong movies, projects, keeping you busy.
Well, right now I'm doing this, and then however I'm also doing Buy Bust.
Wow!
I'm
Oh my
part of
gosh.
That part of
Yung sa
that.
Netflix.
Yes. I'm
Feb
part of that.
9,
Feb 9,
ila-launch na.
And then I'm
Will you
also,
be there?
Uh,
Alam ko may What Next. I just don't know the format, pero may Netflix event for
I haven't been informed. But we'll
Baka
see.
project-based lang yun. They're just
Baka,
gonna push
yeah.
the projects. But
Oo.
you're in Viva.
I'm in
Wow!
Viva, yeah.
Ano po yung role natin sa Vibas?
Basta abangan na lang.
Yeah! Ano to?
medyo-
Action star era rin?
Oo, medyo ano siya. Although I just want to say that yung character ko kasi was really the character of Ricky Davao.
Yeah.
So I took over.
How was it? I do know the industry is small.
Yeah.
It's but it's a great choice to cast you there.
Yeah.
For the role of Ricky Davao.
Of course, I was very thankful that they thought about me. So siguro nung iniisip lang sino pwedeng kaano ni Ricky,
Oh.
maybe they thought of me, which is flattering. Of
Yeah.
course. Yun, of course, nung kinausap ko ni Direk Eric, sabi ko, of course, I'd love to do it. So,
And did you deep dive doon sa past na project ng Vibas before this iteration? Before
well,
this?
definitely I saw it, yeah.
Oo. So,
Nakita ko
ready ka
siya.
na doon.
Oo.
Na-shoot mo na yung scenes mo, I'm guessing.
Meron pang mga scenes na hindi pa nasushoot. So,
Ilang taping days pa kayo direct?
marami pa. Ako siguro mga 4 or 5 days pa.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, but yeah, that one's, that's one project that I'm really excited about. Then I'm also doing I'm directing a movie for Regal Films.
Ooh!
So, ayun.
Full throttle.
Yeah.
I love it. I can't wait for Vibas in your film. And ang ano to polar, domesticated TV show. Tapos 'di ba? Action batayan, Vibas.
Oo.
Utopia, dystopian. Ha?
Oh yes, I have a movie with Brillante Mendoza.
Oh my God, yung
Until She Remembers.
yes,
Yeah, with
ano na
Charo.
malapit end of the month yung
Yes.
Feb, yung premiere,
Yes.
message si Direk Brillante.
Yes, so-
Wow, ano po yung role niyo doon?
I play a teacher. So parang naging example ako sa buhay ni Barbie kasi parang nakita niya yung So I was a history teacher, so pinapakita ko sa kanya yung the women in history na hindi lang puro lalaki yung lumaban. Lumaban din yung mga babae.
Ay, panalo.
So, may ganun siyang angle. May
Galing.
factor. So, yeah. It's a small role, but that's Brillante Mendoza. So,
Yeah.
very honored to be part of that movie. Yeah.
Thank you so much, Direk.
Thank you.
Grabe,
Thank you.
excited. Parang sobrang